ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ಇದು BTVನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ಲೂಸಿವ್ ಸುದ್ದಿ. ಕೋರಮಂಡಲ್ ರೈಲ್ವೆ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಂಟ್ ಸೆಬಾಸ್ಟಿಯನ್ ಚರ್ಚ್. ಈ ಚರ್ಚ್ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ KGF ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಟಿ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಅಂತ ಗರ್ಲ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವುಮೆನ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಸುಮಾರು 20 ವರ್ಷ ಕಾಲದಿಂದ ನಡೆಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ವಿಶೇಷ SSLC ಸಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟರಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಬರೆದುಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕಾಯ್ತಾ ಇರೋರು ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ಸ್ಗೋಸ್ಕರ, PUC ಫೇಲ್ ಆಗಿರುವ ಗರ್ಲ್ಸ್ ಇವರೆಲ್ಲ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೌಸ್ ಮೇಡ್ ಗರ್ಲ್ಸ್, ವಿಡೋಸ್ ಇಂಥವ್ರಿಗೆ ಧೈರ್ಯ ತುಂಬಿಸಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹಲವಾರು ಕೋರ್ಸಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ನೀಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ಲೂಸಿವ್ ಆಗಿ ಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಸ್ಟೆಲ್ಲಾ, ದ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್, ಅವರು ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ಲೂಸಿವ್ ಆಗಿ ಭೇಟಿ ನೀಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಮಗೆ ಬಂದಿರುವ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ತಿಳುವಳಿಕೆ ನೀಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಪ್ರೈವೇಟ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ಸ್ ಆಗಲಿ ಕಾಲೇಜಸ್ ಆಗಲಿ ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಎಂಟ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ನೀಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಡ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಆಗೋಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಂಚೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ. ಆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸು ಕೆಲವೊಬ್ಬರು ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಕೆಲವೊಬ್ಬರು ವೀಕ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು. ಈ ವೀಕ್ ಆಗಿರುವ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಯಾರು ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲನೋ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಅಡ್ಮಿಷನ್ ನೀಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇದು ಹಲವಾರು ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸು ಎಷ್ಟು ನೋವು ತಿಂದಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಬೇರೆ, ಇದು ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕಾಲೇಜಸ್, ನಾಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ, ಅವರು ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಅವರ ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಆಗಲಿ, ಆ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಆಗಲಿ, ಆ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೀವು ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. ಈ ಎಂಟ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಓದಿಲ್ಲ, ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಬರ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದರಿಂದ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಅಡ್ಮಿಷನ್ನೇ ಸಿಗಲ್ಲ. ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಓದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ. ಅಂಥ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸನ್ನು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂಥ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸು ಜಯಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ, ಜಯಶೀಲನಾಗಿ ಅವರು ಆದರೆ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ ಟು ಯೋರ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಯೋರ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್. ಇದನ್ನು ಮರ್ತೋಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಎಂಟ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇಡೋದು, ಅವರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದರೂ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಡ್ಮಿಷನ್ನೇ ಸಿಗಲ್ಲ, ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ನೋವು ತಿಂತಾರೆ. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಅನುಮತಿ ನೀಡಿದೆ ಅಂತ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಎದ್ದಿದೆ. ಬಟ್ ಈ ಕಾಲೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ ಎಂಟ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್. ಅವರು ಧೈರ್ಯ ತುಂಬಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. ವೀಕ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೂ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಧೈರ್ಯ ತುಂಬಿಸಿ ಹಲವಾರು ಕಡೆ, ಹಲವಾರು ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಓದಿರುವ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸು ಹಲವಾರು ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ನೀಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಸ್ಟೆಲ್ಲಾ, ದಿ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಕಾಲೇಜ್. ಈ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ಲೂಸಿವ್ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ ಈ ಎಪಿಸೋಡಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡೋಣ.
Best investment for your future.
Invest on premium villa plots at Sindhu Nagar.
Gautam Nagar 5th Cross Extension.
Call 9513010900. Shri Bhagwan Mahavir Jain College,
Geeta Road,
Robertson Pet.
Admission now started for pre-university courses.
Undergraduation, post-graduation, CA, CS and ICWA courses.
Call 08153261733.
For a clear vision,
Computerized eye testing.
only at Balaji Opticals.
Opposite to SBI Surajmul Circle.
One-stop solution for your neuro and holistic problems. Dr. J. Mariadas, near Municipal Ground, First Cross Road.
Busy city with fussy citizens.
Salva food delivery anywhere in city. First time in KGF food delivery app.
Salva Food Delivery. Download from Play Store and register today. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಮುಂದಿನ ಭವಿಷ್ಯಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಒಂದು ಉತ್ತಮ ಶಾಲೆ ಹುಡುಕ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಗಾಂಧಿ ಮೆಮೋರಿಯಲ್ ಎಜುಕೇಶನಲ್ ಟ್ರಸ್ಟ್, ಪೈಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಷನ್, ಪಾರಂಡಹಳ್ಳಿ.
ದೂರದಿಂದ ಬರುವ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ವಾಹನ ಸೌಲಭ್ಯ ಇತ್ಯಾದಿಗಳು. 8, 9, 10ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಉಚಿತ ಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಸೌಲಭ್ಯಗಳು.
ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಡ್ಮಿಷನ್.
ಈ ಗೋಲ್ಡನ್ ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟಿಯನ್ನು ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಡಿ. ಹಿಂದೆ ಭೇಟಿ ಮಾಡಿ.
ಸೆಕ್ರೆಟರಿ
ಟಿ ಕೃಷ್ಣಪ್ಪ,
9448412565.
Want a government job in medical field?
Join today.
Bethany Paramedical College, opposite to KGF Civil Court.
2 and 3 years diploma courses, government scholarship, free hostel, free food facilities available for SC, ST, OBC and minority students.
Contact Principal Dr. Sendil Vadivu. Call 9945014196.
9448523003. Shri Vinayaka Group of Institution.
Admission started.
Engineering,
Pre-university courses, diploma courses, B Pharmacy, D Pharmacy, BSc Nursing.
paramedicals and ITI.
Shri Vinayaka Groups of Institution.
Near Tollgate, Coromandel.
Call 9945304107.
Very good morning, sister.
Morning, sir.
We have heard since last 20 years you're into service to the specially mining ladies and girls. What is this KGF Community Center? What are you doing here? Can you please explain us?
Yeah, KGF Community College. It started in the year 2001. Due to closure of mines, nothing was available here for the women of KGF, young girls of KGF. So we started this community college. It was founded by Dr. Xavier Alphonse. He was a principal of Loyola College in Chennai. So he thought of the poor people. They don't have anything much to do. They cannot get into the other academic colleges at all. So he thought, why not we do something for the poor? It's during that he thought of it, and we started the community college. It was during that time we sisters had a big meeting, provincial meeting we had. So we invited father, and father spoke about community college. Then we thought that is the right time, because mining was closed. So we thought, let us do something for our people. We are here in KGF more than 100 years. So we thought of that. He took a decision. We said we cannot allow the people to die down at this grim situation. Let us do something about it. So we started the community college. In Arulilam we started, sir. 2001 August we started.
What are the courses you?
Yeah. From the beginning
Teacher.
we had only 3 courses. That is a preschool teachers training we have. Then office assistant, nursing assistant we have. So our course is divided into 3 groups, like the 3 different parts, 4 in a way. One is life skill. Life skill has got life coping skill subjects are there. Then basic English, basic computer, interpersonal communication to all the students we give them. Then afterwards they have their 5 subject work skill class they have. Then 2 months during this 1 year they go for the practical internship they go. So during internship they'll practically hands-on experience they have. After that they come back. We prepare them how to apply for a job, how to go in for an interview. So everything they get ready with the different exam tests and all that. With that we give them a certificate. After that we have an interview here only, campus interview for all the preschool students. About 30 teachers come from different organizations. They select within 1 day 30-40 are gone from this community college as a teacher they go. Then nursing assistants, most of them work in Jalapa Hospital, some of them are working. Then Vaidegi they are working, Jain Hospital, and even in KGF, in and around there students are working, sir. Office management.
You only prefer girls and ladies, women.
Yes, it's a women. Since we are dealing with the women, we have we have also after 10th and PUC girls. Then we have also widows are there. Also, those who get married early, they have no opportunity to study further. So they also get into this study. And they are very happy after coming here, because they were simply idling at home. They have got the life skill. They come out of lot of personal problems. In this life skill, we have to cope with problem, difficulties, positive thinking, time management, anger. So how to go about, we just teach them. So the girls are very happy to come out of all that, because nobody has told them what it is, how to come out of things. So that helps them to come out with flying colors. So with that they are happy. Wherever they go for job, those institutions ask for our students. They tell, why not some more students you can send to us. So they go to around 10 schools they go for internship in and around KG.
How is your fee structure, and any scholarships to the students?
No,
or
sir.
any stipends are given? Anything like that?
Okay. We don't have a scholarship or something. So we collect fees installment wise, we see. And sometimes when they are poor, we just help them out to come out of it. At the end, we take the fees sometimes, depending on the family situation. It is not the same for all. So we have right now, till last batch, 10,000 we are collecting. But something for a uniform we used to take separately. Then this course is added to NSDC, National Skill Development Certificates they have. So they come from Chennai and Delhi, they come and conduct the exam here. So that last batch, about 30 of them finished. Now they are about 50 of them are completed, sir.
So this year, how you are expecting, due to this pandemic, Are you expecting more students to come, or you have?
Sure. Definitely, sir. I have a lot of confidence because our children, once they finish, they go and get back the job. So they are happy about it. Parents are happy. The fees what they pay, in 1 month they get back already. So I really have a lot of confidence. Definitely they'll come out. The only thing here and there, pandemic, they are thinking whether it will be, whether it is open or not. That is the situation right now. But I think as a whole, we are getting in admission.
Some of these schools, this is out of your syllabus. Some of these schools, colleges, what they do is they conduct an
Campus.
entrance test
Okay.
while entering inside the school or college. If the students is poor, they reject them.
Okay, fine.
They reject them.
Yeah.
They don't give admission to them.
Okay.
Some of the other reasons they'll tell he is poor in English, he is poor in Kannada, he is poor in other languages. Those things they keep a subject and they reject them. Actually, schools and institutions should give them more interest for the poor, for the dull students, and they have to get them into the subject. Is there any system of entrance
Definitely,
test?
sir. We have a system, like we give them the English test just to see how they are doing. But we'll take all those who are come.
Okay.
Never rejected anyone.
Also,
But
you
it-
develop them.
Yeah, sure, sir. And we motivate them. Some of them in the beginning, they were coming 10th fail also. We'll say, see, the certificate will not help you until you finish. So we motivate them. They finish their studies, or in between we allow them to go further, even 10th standard, 1 or 2 subjects, or even PUC. We allow them to go, they complete that and they come.
So even you give them opportunity for pass and fail students also.
Yes, especially PUC, 10th also, even last batch we had it. Sometimes they feel inferior because others have done PUC and all that. That's what we have, this positive thinking. Other classes like to come out of self-esteem. All that is there, sir, to come out. And the day when they come, they are so much frightened, not confident. But by 1 year, they all go up on the stage. You must see one of our valedictory functions, sir, all will be on the stage. Something or the other. So everything is possible with everyone. So we give them that motivation. The main thing is, our motto is including the excluded, giving the best to the least, and making them fit for life and fit for job. Community college is doing that. Fit for life. Even there were some widows left husband and come. After completion of the course, they become very different, confident. So the husband come and take them.
Okay.
Take them back to the home. They say, no, I won't allow you to get married again or anything. I want you to the house. Which means they are not taught. Besides our syllabus, sir, we take them also subjects on growing up, especially women's problem and all that, how to deal with it, and something on the law, what are the women's law, how they need to come out of it in case if they are caught up in some situations. So we do. Sometimes we are hard on them also in regards to boyfriend or the other things. No, we will be going round and finding out, pull them back, call the parents. I mean, we explain to them what is the use of all that. Complete your course. And you will have confidence, you can get through job so that your future will be better. That's it, sir. So far we have more than 1,500 students we have placed. I think 1 or 2 of them are in Australia also. I remember our students, when they came back to the college here after the interview, sometimes 8 rounds of interview they have to go. When they come back, they keep telling us, sister, what you taught. Sir, what you taught, with all that we attended the interview, equal to the PG students. And we are selected in that because we give them that confidence, how to come out of yourself. I'm really very happy. So many girls have come out of it. Within one, like they get 10,000, 15,000 or sometimes less than that. But they know how to shift the job from one place to the other also. They're not staying on to that. And some of them go for their higher studies also, sir. They don't stop just with the community college thing. So
Thank you, sister. Thank you very much for all your informations, and hope you get more KGF girls who can improve their skills.
So persons like you also can send
Sure,
to
sure,
us.
sure, sure,
Now
sure,
you
very
know,
much.
since you have come to know, yeah.
Thank you, sister. Thank you,
sir.
thank you.
God bless.
ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ಇಷ್ಟೊತ್ತು ನೀವು ನೋಡಿದ್ದು ಒನ್ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಷನಲ್ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಚಾನಲ್ ಆಫ್ KGF ವಿತ್ ಅನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ಲೂಸಿವ್ KGF ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಟಿ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಹೊರಮಂಡಲ್ ರೈಲ್ವೆ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವ ಸೆಂಟ್ ಸೆಬಾಸ್ಟಿಯನ್ ಚರ್ಚಿಂದ ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ಲೂಸಿವ್ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ನೀಡಿ. ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಮಾಹಿತಿಗಾಗಿ ತಾವು ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಆ ಕಾಲೇಜಲ್ಲೇ ಹೋಗಿ ಆ ಸಿಸ್ಟರನ್ನು ಭೇಟಿ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಮುಂದೆ ಇದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ಲೂಸಿವ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಅಂಟಿಲ್ ದೆನ್ ಸೈನಿಂಗ್ ಔಟ್ ಶ್ರೀಧರ. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.